Want to keep an eye on your Infiniti even when you're not there? Infiniti Drive Recorder can help. Download and log in to the Drive Recorder app. Now you're ready to pair to your Drive Recorder. To pair, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to your Drive Recorder. Once connected, you'll be able to view and record video through the front windshield and behind into the cabin. The Drive Recorder even starts recording when your Infiniti's bumped or jostled. See? To review your footage, transfer it from the SD card to your computer or download it from the cloud using the Drive Recorder app.
Wow, this is a pretty powerful device.
It is. With Drive Recorder, I have peace of mind knowing whether I'm driving, family, or friends, I've got a second set of eyes anywhere my Infiniti goes.